The iconic device still holds its ground with several impressive capabilities. So, if you're looking for a reliable and a budget friendly smartphone that still packs a punch, the iPhone 7 might just be the perfect choice for you. Hi, I'm Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest and the greatest in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Alright, let's start with the pros. The iPhone 7 was released back in 2016, which makes it almost 7 years at this point. However, the phone still receives software updates from Apple, which means it's still going to be supported for a while longer. The iPhone 7 comes with a 4.7-inch Retina display, which is pretty decent for watching videos and browsing social media. The iPhone 7 is powered with Apple's A10 Fusion chipset, which is a decent processor. It comes with a 32GB, 128GB, and 256GB of storage, which should be sufficient for most of the users. Now, let's talk about the camera. The iPhone 7's 12 megapixel rear camera is still a decent shooter, especially in a good lighting conditions. It can also shoot 4K videos at 30 frames per second, which is impressive for a phone of its age. The front-facing camera is a 7 megapixel shooter, which is good enough for selfies and video calls. Now let's talk about the cons. The iPhone 7 comes with a 1960 mAh of battery. So if you are a heavy user like playing games and watching movies and all that, then I don't think this battery will last you a day. The iPhone 7 also does not have an expandable storage, so you may not be able to use micro SD card along with this phone. So is the iPhone 7 worth buying in 2023? Well, it depends on your needs and budget. If you're on tight budget and just need a phone for calling, texting and web browsing, then the iPhone 7 is still a solid choice. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and double your excitement. Not only will you gain access to amazing content, you may also win cool gadgets from our giveaway contest.